Hey, my name is Doc. Today is Tower Tuesday, and I'm going to show you a trick called the Copper Tower that looks like this. It's this cool instant tower. You know, I think it's a little hard to see from this perspective, so let's switch things up a little bit. There we go. First person's going to be better. So this is the Copper Tower, an instant tower, very fun to do, and it has a cool green triangle out. Copper Tower starts with a power throw and then a bottom mount, and my thumb is going to go against the back of the string right here. And my other thumb is going to go into this loop on my free hand. So my throw hand thumb goes back, my free hand thumb goes in. I'm going to use this pinch to grab the string hanging right below my middle finger. So I'm going to kind of grab here. And you can just, sometimes you get all fingers in, but you can just use two fingers. You're going to grab and pull that string through. But while you're doing that, you're also going to hop the yo-yo out to the side. So I'm going towards my left because I'm right-handed. And I'm going to pull that string through, and I'm going to catch the yo-yo on that string right next to my middle finger, and then drop that off your thumb. Okay, we're going to do that one more time. Power throw, bottom out, thumb goes against this string here. This thumb goes in and grabs this string. We're going to pull that through, but we're going to do that at the same time we hop the yo-yo out and to the side. So the yo-yo is going to go out and to the side and land here. I pull this through, I drop that. Just in case you missed it, bottom mount, thumb, grab this through, hop the yo-yo up, and catch it right there while dropping that string off the thumb and pulling this string through. Once you land the trick, once you land that copper tower, the next thing I like to do is hop the yo-yo back and through. So it's gonna go between my arms. So it's going to go off, and then I'm going to just swing the yo-yo forward, and when it falls down, I'm going to catch it back on the string and drop into a triangle. I usually like to do a somersault and then an outro. And that's the Copper Tower. Again, my name's Doc. Thanks for Yo Daddy for letting me be part of the Tower Tuesdays.